Good morning, dear students. Last session in English, I had already started chapter 1, that was food we eat. We had completed the topic carbohydrates. Now I continue the same with the today's topic, that is proteins. Proteins are true bodybuilders. Our bones, muscles, nerves and skin are also composed of proteins. Foods rich in proteins are egg, meat, fish, cheese, milk, bread, potatoes, nuts, peas, beans and lentils. So we should take such type of food that we get good protein from this food. Next topic is our fats. We can put fats into two main groups, that is fats from animals and fats from plants. Fats from animals are butter, meat, cream, cheese and eggs. And fats from plants are corn oil, sunflower oil, oil from various nuts. Fats are also important part of our body, but too much fat also can harm our body. Next topic is vitamins. Our body needs vitamins to stay healthy. No food articles sell all the vitamins we need. So it is important to eat a mixture of things. We get vitamins from pulses, eggs, carrot, beetroot, cabbage, spinach, etc. If we don't take vitamins from food, then we have to take extra vitamin pills to get sufficient vitamins from in our body. Next topic is minerals. Our body also needs some minerals. For example, calcium is needed for strong bones and teeth. We get it from milk and cheese. We get it from eggs, pulses and green leafy vegetables. Iron is needed for the production of red blood cells in our body. There are many other minerals that our body needs. The best way to have them is to take a variety of food. એમ કહેવામાં આવે કે આ નથી ભાવતું, ઓલું નથી ભાવતું, ખાતા નથી, then you have to take tablets. So whatever food is being provided by your family members, when your mother says that you have to eat this, you have to eat this vegetable, you have to take, then you have to compulsory eat, so that you can get all types of vitamins, minerals, fats, proteins in your body. Now water, yes, water is also very important in our body. 2/3 of weight of our body is water. Much of it is constantly lost in the form of urine, sweat or breathe out air. We should drink about 2 liters of water in a day. How many liters? 2 liters in a day, because our water is wasted in the form of urine, sweat. So you should take more water, you should drink more water. Green salad has in it 9/10 of water. When you eat green salad, you get maximum water from that also. Next is fiber. Fiber is also known as roughage. Fiber is not a nutrient, but it helps the digestive system to process food and absorb nutrients. It helps in grip the food well as it passes through our intestine. Some fiber rich foods are whole grain, cereals, barley, rye, berries, broccoli, peas, beans, etc. All these things are very important for our body, to build our body. All these types of minerals, vitamins, water, fiber, fats, carbohydrates, proteins. When we eat a complete balanced diet, we get full energy in our body to do work, to play and to grow healthy. Most important of our food should be fresh. It should be well cooked, and our food digests well if we feel tempted to eat it. મનથી ખાવાનું, પરાણે જબરદસ્તી મન વગર ખાધેલું ફૂડ સારી રીતે પચતું નથી અને એનું આપણા શરીરમાં લોહી થતું નથી. સો ધ મેઇન ટોપિક વોઝ ફૂડ વી ઈટ. વોટ ફૂડ વી ઈટ, ઇટ ડિપેન્ડ્સ which type of food we take, which type of food we eat and how we eat. મનથી ખાવાનું તો બ્લડ સારું થાય. We come to an end of this chapter. Then I will give you hard words and textual exercise in the next session. Okay.